We're kicking off 2026 with one of the largest exhibitions on the calendar. It's Bett 2026. Over 35,000 educators, leaders and innovators gather here at London Excel for 3 days filled with ideas, inspiration and hands-on technology. That features 400 world-class speakers, representation from 130 countries and more than 600 exhibitors, including companies like Samsung, Canva and Microsoft. Regular visitors to Bett, and this year we're here to meet 2 brand new clients of Quadrant2Design. An open source hardware, software and content platform Arduino is designed to empower educators and learners of all ages through hands-on, creative and accessible technology. At Bett, they have interactive zones and live experiences to effectively showcase their services. I'm curious to see whether their brand new Quadrant2Design stand has helped them achieve this.
This came exactly the way we imagined. We wanted a very dynamic, like a stand that people can come and see all the demos, interact with them, and that they see that we are Arduino. So I think we managed to do that. We love the walls and the graphics. So I think so far this has been my favorite booth and everybody's booth ever. So I'm super happy with the result. I really like the design and the flow, but I really like that we use the walls to convey the message. And people really know that this is Arduino. I think it's something that we missed previous years, that people didn't know it was Arduino till you come and see the demos, so you cannot miss that. It's such a difference from previous years to this one, so everybody is very happy about the end result. Arduino has been around 20 years, and then we started with education because we see that there is a gap between education and the skills that the students need to have when they go out there to the world and try to find a job. So what we do is microcontrollers, technology and educational kits to help to narrow that gap. We want to show educators what is the new technology that we bring in today. So we have new boards capable of doing AI, robots as well. So new improvements to all boards, Wi-Fi connectivity, IoT devices. So we want them to see all the offer and always that they need to know that we are with them and this is not that hard as it seems.
Leader in high-performance technology, MSI, is showcasing their Pro Series monitors and desktops that deliver practical and value-driven solutions for schools. Let's see how their new stand is performing for them.
So we put a lot of thought into the design of the stand, obviously, and especially the flow of how people are moving around. We have a concept with the stand this year in which people have stamp cards. I can show you one. We have these stamp cards, and people can earn stamps around the booth. And around the booth there are the different stamps that they can earn. And so the flow of the stand was very important. So we put a lot of thought into exactly how that works and how people are going to move through. If they get all the stamps, they can spin the wheel and win one of the prizes, so that's the idea. I think specifically with the meeting area, we thought that was important because it's nice to have a little space in which we can take a visitor, sit down with them. If they want to go into more detail with our sales team or something like that, it's nice to carve out that little space there, and it's been useful. And also, if I've been standing for too long, I can go and have a seat. The stand looks great. It looks great seeing it up now. It's very professional, and I think working alongside with you guys to bring what we've got to the table and what you've got to the table, we've ended up with something quite pretty. I mean, my favorite is the rotating sign up here. Yeah.
I know you have an exhibition stand event website.
Yes.
how was that for you? Did you like the process of creating one? Did you find it useful?
I think it's super useful because then we save time doing that, because it's something that you want to have so people know what you are doing, where are you going. So the fact that we already have that saved a lot of time, and we just use the link to use on social media so people know where we are and what we're doing and what we presented, so it helped a lot.
And I think we came quite last minute to it, but now that it's up, I think it looks great. It's been really good for our marketing materials and spreading that on social media. We've also got it up on our own website now, which has been quite nice as well. So yeah, it looks very pretty, and I'm happy with Ivy, who was working very hard on that.
Since you were super professional, we were never alone. Everything we need, you just answer very fast. From day one till today, we feel all the time that you were with us, so excellent.
I know that we came very late to this, and we had a very short time span in which it all had to be done, so it was always going to be complicated, and that's kind of the way it went. But all in all, we've got the stand up and running, and I think it looks great, and so that's the important thing.
I'm just super happy with you. I'm super glad that I found you, and yeah, you're great. So thank you so much.
As you can imagine, our visit to Bett was informative and enlightening. We're proud of how well Quadrant2Design stands have performed at the world's biggest celebration of education. It's comforting to know all our team efforts and mutual collaboration have paid off. Goodbye from Bett 2026.